Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect your MetaMask wallet from a specific website. To find out how, make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will want to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up. First of all, just click on the MetaMask extension located on your browser extension tab. Now, once you click on this, you will see your MetaMask wallet account. At the right side of this account, you can see the three dots. Just click on this, and now from the drop-down menu, click on Connected Sites. This will now show you all of the websites that you have connected to your MetaMask wallet. Now, in order to remove access, simply click on the delete icon at the right side of each website, and then click on the disconnect button to confirm disconnecting. You can do this with as many sites that you have connected to as you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to disconnect from connected sites on your MetaMask wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.